Nisuweng pa sakanti ko dun Bostu Media Network ko narum chaksoa, anga Alicia A. Sangma na asimana dal ko Rangko parkatinga. Katabi chongrang, CM Bostu rangi damni gamen am sandiani ko West Garo Hills utakanga. GSU aro NGO rang CM ko matanga. Special Squad rang song gambat ke parang ni verification ko Turao utakanga. West Garo Hills Awareness Program ko atanga. Chugumukpa ko borang, Meghalaya ni skutong Minister Conrad K. Sangma, yajani koruktok tariko West Garo Hills ni Police aro District Administration rang ni, nyam ni kosa ko Bostu rang ko dam raki palgaparang ko, am sandi e matna ni bidingo chaka aro dakchaka. Skutong Minister ni Agananga ni getade, yako am sandi e matna ni ara, mandirang na namgani na sadaka, aro Bostu rang ko nyam ni kosa ko dam raki palanya asel, wajoli mandirang na niknikani ko matnaha. Niam ni kosa ko dakpa aro namgija bazar ko chabok na dakparang ni asel Turao aro West Garo Hills ajani dingtang songrang o Bostu dam Raka ni kunik na matnenga. Wabadeng gaparang na namgapa kupatiani ko ne niam ni kosa ko regapa dolrang ko wachawa ani kura chakanga ha. Warasong Chae rendake na makata ko katai China Police aro District Administration ko didianga ha. Wamang ni mukhangchi reba iramra mandirang na chelchak na kham ko khanya asel sa ya mandirang ko mamatna ha. Ji mandirang andam rakani asel niknika ko matnahachim wamang ko anching chelchakna aro dakchak skana anis kotong minister agan dapkwanga ha.
Just recently the West Garo Hills Police and the West Garo Hills administration has been cracking down on different kind of illegal activities, especially in terms of extortions and different kind of activities which were leading to the prices of essential commodities going up. And based on these different inputs received, a number of actions were taken by the district police and the SP, and concrete steps have now been taken to ensure that this does not happen in the future. And this will have a huge impact in ensuring that the price of essential commodities comes down to a large extent. And this will impact the poorest of the poor people and the general citizens of Turao and also of West Garo Hills. And I want to assure the different merchants and the different shopkeepers and the different people who do business in Turao and in West Garo Hills that the entire administration, the police and the government as a whole will be there to support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place.
Dadengri William Nagar Phulbari Mendi Pathar aro dingtang songrang ni GSU rang aro NGO rang adogni skotong Minister Conrad Sangma ko Garo Hills Gemuku Electricity Department ni bijoli name sokat kija ko ni gija doninga ane matnanga nga ha. NGO rang nangreme jungjengata ni ko adita antirang nas khang dakang hachem. Andi ba daunan mamang namgapa agan chakani ko Surkari aro MECL Department ni ko matkuja ane parakatanga ha. Daungeng gapa jungjengata ni ara mandirang na duk mukchi ni song ajok aro duk mukchi baksa wamang slogan rangko chikkinga je khai achik minister aro skotong minister Garo Hills ni mandirang na kasaja ane poster rang tharian baksa chukani rangko takanga ha.
Nga nasong gamutan pastakan Asia ya ini share office ko na beginning kayaknya yang second phase semua uni kisah po atsina government out pet mamang akan sakani ko dong kuzenya uni gemen sa ya ini share office ko beginning ka papak enjoy sangan sungja mana yara ansin garu isu dong papak atsin jat ni ba garu isu dong papak mandirang na nongan ya karenya sini nikani mesem uni gemen saya beginning ko kayaknya andi ba daw ba dapat ansini Meghalaya government mamang akan sakani ko dong kuza mana saya beginning ko kaun sa peaceful oi kainga andi ba uni gise po daw pet mamu ko akan sani gemen ska daw ya second phase exit ko masutani jak mano daw third phase exit ko kangen yan sombar soroni ungen yan walo night road blocket ko sa kangen
ye jani khurkupunga thariko Turani special squad rang song gambat keparang ni verification ko medical college aro Pine Mount International School Toldegri Turao dakanga jen aramel bit house ni ogpau ga ka ye bia prangni construction site ko inspect kha anyo sakchet kam kha gapa ko medical college ni khunka aro sakchi sa Pine Mount International School ni ko ye kham kha gaparang gumkan Indian asung ni onga aro Assamese rang onga Wamang Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security MRS Act hazagni chidok ni ongaman gata wamang gumakan labor office o register kha gumanonga inspect khanyo mamung ungja takapa khonak manja West Garo Hills Police aro District Administration ni gata yajani khurukpunga thariko tala awareness program ko law and order situation village defense parties VDM ni dakna nangani kham security crime obosa rangko gelna aro naljuke dongna Narcotics, Drugs, aro Psychotropic Substances NDPS Act, Gari Salaniam Rangko Michik aro Bisarang ko Bosang Oninaljo Kirakina, Protection of Child from Sexual Offences Posco Act, Sarbat Crime, Yarang Gamag ni Gaman Bolchugri Song Gambegri Community and Rural Development Block ni Ngogapaw nga, wano dakanga. Ya awareness campaign o songge isni ni sak recha gatam sotpunga gram sabha ni memberang bakkuranga. Yan dal na khoboro nga, nisweng basakan tikon metela.